Gentlemen, you are so freaking lucky. The fact that you have subscribed to the AlphaM YouTube channel and you got me looking out for you. Because when I was growing up and trying to navigate the style waters, I made some terrible, horrible, no good, very bad style mistakes, but not you. Gentlemen, today I'm going to help you avoid the style mistakes that I have made over the years, because I'm going over 10 ways young men are dressing wrong and how to fix them. First way young men are dressing wrong is they try to dress up distressed jeans. These are distressed jeans, right? They're casual. They've got some fading, they're lighter wash, they're gonna have possibly some holes, some whiskering. These cannot be dressed up, they're casual. These dark wash jeans, you could throw on dress shoes, you could even put like a tie on. You can dress these up. You cannot dress these up. You get it? Good. I used to try and dress up distressed jeans, and I looked ridiculous, and so do you, number 2. Undershirts should not be visible. Instead, go with a V-neck, all right? You can still wear an undershirt, you just don't want it to show. Now, on the flip side, wearing a t-shirt as a base layer underneath a flannel or a denim shirt is absolutely super cool, but if it's being worn as an undershirt specifically, it shouldn't show. Third way young men are dressing wrong is that when they're wearing pants that are pleated, which are those little like puckers up near the top of the pants, they're wearing their pants too low. If you're wearing pleated pants, they should be pulled up. And what happens, if you pull them up, the pleats will lay nice and flat. But when those pleated pants slide down, it causes those pleats to pucker and open, making you look pear-shaped. Number 4 is wearing a tie with a button-down collar. Button-down collar dress shirt is a more casual dress shirt, and in my opinion it doesn't look right wearing it with a tie. If you want to rock a tie, go no buttons, and if you want to go buttons, rock it open. The 5th thing that so many young men get wrong in terms of their style is they have one belt for every occasion. Belts make or break an outfit, in my opinion, and really put the finishing touches and set people who are stylish apart from people who only have like 1 or 2 belts. The deal is this: you need to make sure you are matching your leathers if you're going to be wearing a leather belt and leather shoes. Dress shoes need a dress belt. Notice that the leathers match, both in finish in terms of how shiny, along with the color and texture of the leather. These leather shoes are casual, and so I could go with a casual leather belt, but notice, right, the leathers still match in terms of finish and color. Both these belts that I just showed you come from today's video sponsor and the best belt in the history of belts, Anson Belt. What about these shoes, right? Suede Pumas, they're gray. What color belt would you wear? Oh my God, I don't know. I do, because I got Anson. I'm going gray fabric, baby. In my opinion, fabric belts are super badass. Dark gray, blue white stripe, light gray. The belt I am currently rocking with this number is actually camo, and I went with the black buckle. I could have done silver, but guys, here's the beautiful thing about Anson Belt, right? All of the buckles are universal, so you can actually change them out. I could take the black buckle, throw it on a gray belt. Check it out. How bad, like seriously, like how badass is this belt, right? The dark gray, exactly. The other beautiful thing about Anson Belt, and the reason why everybody has fallen in love with them, and I get so many damn emails from people like, yo, I love these freaking belts, it's this, it's that track system. There are no holes, so your belt never gets worn out and looking rough if you've gained weight or lost weight or whatever. And all you do, right, listen, wait for it, right? It locks it into place. It's sort of like a ratchet system. And then to release, all you do, there's a little trigger, you press in and pull out. Anson Belt makes it so easy to integrate different fun fabric belts along with leathers. And the best deal they've got going right now, for under $100, you can build a box set which comes with 2 buckles. You pick. They've got silver, they've got gold, they've got black, they've got gunmetal, they've got everything, and 3 straps. You could go 2 fabric, 1 leather, you could go all 3 leather. You mix and match, or if you wanted to, you could go 3 buckles, 2 straps. There's no discount code, they don't need one. The product sells itself, they're priced super affordably, and the quality is incredible. Guys, treat yourself. I promise you won't regret it, and you'll thank me later. Number 6. The way young men are dressing wrong, they're spending their money in the wrong place. And what I mean by this is they are spending a lot on a little, or an item that they can't wear a lot of times. Say you have $200 and you go into Gucci, the Gucci store, because everybody's wearing Gucci, right? And you buy a t-shirt. How often can you wear that t-shirt? Not too often. Instead, spend the $200 on an item that you can wear repeatedly with a bunch of different outfits, so the per wear cost is much lower. Number 7 is not knowing that you're supposed to remove the stitches that are stitching the back vents. You know those like X's that you see? I see dudes walking around with those little X's there on the bottom closing the vent, right? That is supposed to come out. Also, in the pocket, the front chest pocket, there's a little stitch. All you gotta do is be very careful, get a razor blade, just cut like one and then pull. The whole thing unravels. Also, the pockets, you can unstitch that as well. As we're talking about suits, we gotta talk about number 8, which is buttons. This look is gonna be amazing, but I need to show you something. All right, so I am assuming that the majority of the sport coats or suit jackets that you're buying is 2 buttons, right? And if it is, there's a general rule that you need to abide by, or else you're totally screwing the style pooch. And that is right there. All right, you never want to button both buttons of a suit if you're wearing a 2-button suit. It's just the top one. That bottom one is just there to casually open and to just kind of chill. And while we're at it, number 9, another thing that most dudes don't know and do totally wrong is when they go in to get pants hemmed, you also need to make sure that they are tapering the leg. And last, but certainly not least, the 10th way that most young men are dressing wrong is they're not willing to step outside of their own comfort zone and box. I know from personal experience that it is very difficult to step outside of your comfort zone and to try new things. But what I have found is that usually the new things that I try, the things that were a little bit like, I don't know, I wouldn't normally buy that or that color, I don't know, those are the items that I end up getting the most compliments on. So gentlemen, here's the deal. Stick to your guns, do what you need to do, but make sure that you experiment once in a while, because you are beautiful, super fantastic, and I think you are amazing.